start my timer. Let me put this over this so I've been vaccinated, I just don't want herpes. I'm not saying Amani has herpes by any means. That is the cleanest cat you'll ever meet in your life, right, ladies and gentlemen? God damn, I love you guys so much. So much. Oh my God. Well, hi, my name's Skippy Sprinkles. I have a traumatic brain injury. I was in a coma for 45 days. Oh my God. I know I look like the kind of guy who gets banned from Tinder and Grindr. One of the highest ranking priests in America just registered as General Secretary to the U.S. Catholic Bishops' Conference. After acquitting, he used Grindr to find men for sex when he traveled on for business. His favorite Bible passage is, turn the other cheek. Way to squash that stereotype like Catholics. It's stories like this that make white kinda say, at least we don't blow up, we just blow up people. But for the record, I'd rather somebody blow me than blow me up. Now he's in jail. His nickname in the shower is Pope on the Rope. They put him in solitary by himself. Now he's a real Bible beater. Hi, my name's Skippy Sprinkles. I have a traumatic brain injury. I was in a coma for 45 days. I'm gonna get right to the jokes tonight. I don't have much time. My parole officer's in the back. I just found this out. Police officers need reasonable suspicion to pull you over. That can be anything from sending some speeding to a broken taillight or bumper stickers that say, fuck the police. And trust me, they won't let you go if you say you're an NWA fan. That's good. Cops also need probable cause to search your car. I've had my car searched many times for many reasons. Expired license plate, missing bumper, traveling in the HOV lane with a mannequin, and the mannequin was driving. Wait, that one's on me. Oh my God. Hi, my name's Skippy Sprinkles. I have a traumatic brain injury. I was in a coma for 45 days. I know what you're thinking. He looks like a really high UPS driver. Recently, a UPS driver was arrested for delivering mail while he was naked. Sir, this is not the package I ordered.